PharmChem offers SHURflo TRANSFERPRO pumps, which pump up to 12 gallons per minute and have a 5-year warranty. The pump kit comes with a ball valve, 2 hoses, a bushing, a coupling, a nipple, a nozzle, and a cam lock. Before you begin assembling the kit, be sure to wrap all parts with threaded fittings with the sealant tape provided. Wrap them in a clockwise motion to prevent leaks. First, screw the bushing into the cam lock. Follow that by screwing in the nipple into the bushing, then screwing the ball valve onto the nipple. Screw the hose into the ball valve. You can do this by threading the hose into the valve or by disassembling the valve, screwing the parts onto the hose, and then reassembling the valve with the hose attached. Attach the cam lock to the coupler on the tank after that. Next, screw the coupling onto the front of the pump and thread the other end of the hose into the coupling. Finally, screw in the discharge hose into the discharge port and then screw on the nozzle. You are now ready to use your TRANSFERPRO pump. For more information on the SHURflo TRANSFERPRO pump or on other SHURflo pumps, call PharmChem at 800-247-1854 or visit our store at shop.pharmchem.com.